Lenovo Android car player, main menu, go to setting. So first one is for Wi-Fi. You can turn on the Wi-Fi to connect your hotspot, your Wi-Fi for internet. The second one, which is network, this model of Lenovo, you can insert your SIM card for connected the Wi-Fi to use internet. And also this is Android version 10, you can check in software version, and this one is 4 plus 64GB rom, 8-core processor. A bit special for this model, factory setting you have to go to open it. How to open? Click find time Android version. So will come out to ask you click in the password. The password is 2468. So after selected, he will show it the factory setting is already open. So scroll down, then the factory setting will come out once down there. Factory setting is using for setting a CAN bus socket for your car model. Selected car model needed to help to set it the CAN bus, and other internal setting also inside the factory setting. So go back to main menu. I'm going to show you the full menu. Inside full menu is all application like Play Store, Google Chrome, Waze, Google Map, YouTube. So Play Store, as usual, you have to log in your Gmail ID, Gmail account for download the application. So I didn't connect the Wi-Fi, so sorry about cannot show you. You can change the wallpaper also. File manager to manage your file, your USB file, your music file, your video file. You can also connect the internet for watching YouTube. So searching music inside YouTube also can. Okay, showing you for radio. So radio, which normal lah, you can search by the frequency. Phone is Bluetooth phone call, so you have to connect your Bluetooth. And this is the equalizer. It got 14 band equalizer, so you can set it yourself or you can select the preset. And also video, you can download any video to your USB slot, so after that you can play it on your Android player. Lenovo.D.E Pro XQ have a special things. It is a QLED 2.5D screen, so it is not IPS screen anymore. This is QLED. The screen is more quality and clear. This is Lenovo Android Player D1 Pro XQ. Thank you.